It's my duty, it is my duty to provide halal for my children, to put halal on their plate. And many a times we give haram to our children and we see the ill results, the ill effects of it. Mulana Zulfikar, Damat Barakatuhum, he says, I was in America and there was a child that was doing hifz of the Quran, becoming a hafiz of the Quran. So the children really wanted to push him, to memorize the Quran early. But he would not memorize. He would learn a page, then he would forget, then learn another page, he would forget. It carried on for 2 continuous years. In 2 years, he barely done a few pages of the Quran. But in school, he's very smart. So the parents were thinking, what is going on? So Shaykh Zulfikar said, I called him and I asked the child, give me your weekly schedule. What do you do every day? So he goes home, goes to school, has his food, etc. When Sunday comes, he says, we go for an outing. Where you go? We say, we go to McDonald's. Again, you guys, Maulana, you got something against McDonald's. No. I'm saying that they go to a haram outlet for an outing. So he says, this is the thing that Shaykh Zulfikar quote. He says, because he is consuming haram, Allah has deprived him from learning the Quran. So he told the parents, no more haram in the schedule. Eat from halal outlets or buy from halal. So the parents went one step ahead and they said, we will only consume that which we will slaughter ourselves. They were in America, so they were allowed to do that, slaughter ourselves. In 1 year, the child became hafiz of the Quran. So my dear respected elders and brothers, I know I have taken much of your time. I've gone way ahead. But Ramadan is coming. It is not a small guest that is visiting us. The Prophet ﷺ used to say, مَاذَا تُقْبِلُكُمْ وَمَاذَا تَسْتَقْبِلُونَ. What are you awaiting and what is coming towards you? The Sahaba said, Allahu wa Rasuluhu a'lam. Then the Prophet ﷺ said, a great month is coming, the month of Ramadan. So before Ramadan come, let us fix all these little issues which we might think is little, but in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is great, so that our ibadat can be protected, everything can be protected.